The hand, one of the most refined tools the human body has ever produced. Each hand contains 27 bones, linked by joints, tendons, and muscles engineered for both strength and precision. It can grip with force or move with delicacy. It can lift weight, tie knots, write language, and feel detail too small for the eye to see. Every movement begins as a signal. Commands travel from the brain, down the arm, into the fingers in milliseconds. Timing here is exact. Small errors change everything. The thumb transforms function. Opposition allows the hand to pinch, rotate, and manipulate objects with control few species possess. This single adaptation reshaped survival. The fingertips are densely packed with sensory receptors: pressure, texture, temperature. The brain builds a detailed map of the world through touch alone. The hand reflects internal state. Stress tightens it. Calm steadies it. Repetition trains skill into muscle memory. Even at rest, the hand is prepared, maintaining posture, balance, and readiness. The hand does more than interact with the world. It shapes it, it builds, it repairs, and it creates. A reminder that intelligence is not only thought, but the ability to turn intention into precise action.